So this is the second part of setting up React Native in our system. So we have just covered with these two steps. The first one is of installing the node in our system, and the second one is of VS Code editor installation. Right. The third part is environment setup that most of the developers are worried about. Right. Environment setup in our system. In our system. Yes. Okay, so as we can follow the documentation here. The simply they write, I am using window now, so we will do it in Mac OS before after this video, because I don't have a Mac system right now, so I am just using Windows. So I am setting up React Native on my Windows system. So okay, that one is the last one. Okay. Okay, we are just skipping this part. Third part, we will do it later. So the third part will be, the third step will be, okay, this can be the fourth step. So we need to install Android Studio. Why Android Studio? Like I just told you, for creating the Android application, we should know about the Android Studio. Also, we know about the Java and Kotlin. That was the language, but Android Studio is the platform by which we can implement, by which we can uh, create the application. Android application, it can be anything of, right? So Android Studio, right? So you can simply install the Android Studio from this part. So this is simple website. You can just need to enter Android Studio and enter this. Okay, you can download. Okay. So these steps are very simple. Okay, so after installing Android Studio, the simple interface become like this. Like you have to create new project, or you have to open the existing project, right? Okay. Okay, so the fourth part is installing Android Studio and creating one demo project by using Android Studio. I'll show it in the next video when I am using my native project. Okay, after installing or downloading Android Studio, there will be one more step. Like I just told you, the language that is used in Android Studio is Java. Okay, and for Java we needed Java environment, right? We needed JDK. Okay, so this is the Oracle website. We are using window, so you can use JDK, or you can download JDK from here. If you have bit 64, then you have to download this. So for downloading this, sometimes it asks for login credentials, but now it is simply downloading my system. I already have this. So JDK environment setup, and the last one is environment setup. Let me open my environment file, so it will be easy for you to understand what we have to write exactly, right? Just simply write environments. Okay, environment, just write Android home and this path, SDK path, Java home and this path. Okay, similarly you have to do these two things in system variable as well. Okay, Android Studio and Java home. Okay, Android Studio and Java home, right? And in the path section you just need to click here and click on edit button, and there are some things like SDK, bin and platform tools. Just enter these things and restart your system once, and after that you can create the you can run a command that is used for creating React Native project, right? Like I'm just opening my CMD here. Let me show you. I have node version JDK. I think this is not the right command for JDK. Let me show you where I have placed JDK in my system. Program files. Where is that? Okay. So user